Ever dreamt of a family adventure like no other? Then journey to Africa, where family bonds strengthen. Nature dazzles and every moment becomes a timeless treasure. It's an experience that transcends generations. Imagine the joy of your youngest exploring the wonders of nature. Or the wisdom shared between generations around the campfire under the African sky. From the majestic savannas to the serene beauty of God's creation, Africa unfolds its wonders right before your eyes. And when the day's adventure concludes, unwind in luxury, immerse yourself in accommodations that seamlessly blend comfort with the natural beauty that surrounds you. So what are you waiting for? Africa is calling, inviting you to a journey filled with family, nature, and the extraordinary. Your adventure begins now.